after a SpiceJet employee slapped a male assistant sub-inspector during a dispute at the Jaipur airport. The crew member has now been sent to jail. A legal duel has begun between both the parties, where the arrested female employee has filed an FIR against the CISF personnel alleging indecent behavior. The CISF personnel, in return, has filed a case against her. Now, as cited by CISF officials, the SpiceJet staff member was stopped by the assistant sub-inspector for reportedly lacking proper authorization to enter through a gate, a claim disputed by SpiceJet.
व्हीकल गेट से स्पाइसजेट की क्रू राधाना ने और अपनी व्हीकल को लेकर के वहाँ से जाना चाह रही थी। वहाँ महिला स्टाफ ड्यूटी में मौजूद नहीं था, इसलिए मौजूद ड्यूटी अफसर ने बताया कि महिला कांस्टेबल से ही आपकी रिसीव करके जाने दिया जाएगा, अंदर ऐसे नहीं जा सकते। और वो जल्दी में जाना चाह रही थी। इसी बात को लेकर के मौजूद अफसर ऐसे ही था कि उसने मैसेज किया कंट्रोल रूम को महिला अफसर भेजें। जब तक महिला अफसर आई, इसी बात को लेकर के वो एक्साइटेड होगी बोले था और उसके एसआई के महिला कांस्टेबल सब इंस्पेक्टर और महिला सब इंस्पेक्टर के सामने उसके एसआई के एक चांटा लग दिया और इस बात को लेकर के एक FIR दर्ज कराई द्वारका एसआई CISF ने और उस पर जो अनुसंधान किया, CCTV फुटेज वगैरह लेके सारा पूरा इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने के बाद उस महिला को गिरफ्तार किया गया।
Now, SpiceJet has declared its solidarity with their employee and has called for swift legal action against the CISF personnel involved. Here's the alleged sequence of events as claimed by the SpiceJet staffer in the FIR. The staffer claims that the CISF personnel asked her where she was going and requested her to stay with them and give them a chance. Then, as per the FIR, she responded saying that there is no female staff at the gate and that he shouldn't talk to her in the way that he was speaking with her. Then, he allegedly said that he is an ASI in the CISF and asked her what she charged for one night. And that is when she lost her cool and slapped the CISF personnel. Now, that was the sequence of events in connection with this case, but you can also see the visuals of the incident unfolding on your screens at this point. This is the incident where we're now being joined by my colleague Gajraj to get us more on the latest. Gajraj, we've just gone through the sequence of events as stated by the SpiceJet staffer. This is as according to what is detailed in the FIR. Tell us more about, give us an update rather, on the probe.
See, right now we are at the court and we are also seeking an update in this particular matter. And now the hearing of this case is supposed to happen today. And there were two FIRs that have been filed from the girl side and the CISF side. The first FIR was filed from the CISF side, and now the second FIR that was filed from the girl side, which reveals a lot of shocking details and sexual comments that have been claimed to have been made by this particular ASI posted in the CISF. And as the girl claims that this particular derogatory remarks also threatening her with her job. So these all the particular allegations are very serious in nature, and these allegations have been put up by this girl's side in the FIR that has been lodged by from the girl's family, and it has been launched in this particular police station yesterday night. Studio.